Hello, hello, hello. We are here at the beautiful Ancora Event Center, which is where we are hosting our Lights, Camera, Auction Charity Gala this coming, well, not this weekend, but the following on September 23rd. It is benefiting the Alliance for Children. I am Stephanie Deeds. I am the broker owner of Point Realty.
And I am Tanya Merlino. I'm CPA and owner of Green Group Advisors, and also board president of Alliance for Children.
Very good. And which is how actually I came to learn about Alliance for Children, is Tanya has invited me to some events and fundraising that they have done in the past. And so together we decided that we were going to host an event that would be a fun night out for all of our people and also to benefit a great organization. So what we're here to do today is for Tanya, especially as a board member and as much involvement as she's had, she's going to tell us a little bit about Alliance for Children and its mission and all that good stuff.
So Alliance for Children has been around since 1992. So a little over, where we just marked our 30-year anniversary last year. And Alliance for Children was put in place for victims of child abuse, whether that be physical, sexual abuse, but it's a place for the kids and families to come to for counseling, we work with partners, and it's really a place for them to come to feel safe and get the counseling and the treatment they need. It also prevents, we have interviewers there that do the interviews one time, so these victims of child abuse aren't continually having to be interviewed over and over again and relive. And the counseling that is provided is free of charge to all families. And so it does counseling for not only the child victim, but it also does the siblings, and it does parental counseling as well. So it's really getting them back out in the world again, and where they're able to live happy lives. And I love the mission of Alliance for Children. I've been involved with them for a little over 8 years now, and I'm just happy to support this mission and hope that you will too.
It really is a noble organization, and from the beginning of, like you said, with the interviewers trying to prevent them having to tell that story over and over again, all the way through the counseling and getting them to the other side of what they experience. Like, it's just really, and it's a delicate topic that people don't like to talk about, and so maybe you haven't heard of Alliance for Children because of that reason. And so it really, I was excited when I found out about it.
Benefits all of Tarrant County kiddos. So we have locations in the Northeast in the Hearst area. We've got a location, our main administrative headquarters in Fort Worth, and then we've got the location in Arlington. And so it allows for all of our Tarrant County kiddos to be serviced.
And they've grown so much in the 30 years that they've been open, and it's been a really cool thing to witness, I'm sure, for you, as long as you've been involved.
I wish that it wasn't a service that was needed, and we will continue fighting for these kiddos until the last one is served. But sadly it is, as our population grows, this service is needed more as well.
So it is not a happy topic to talk about, but it is a happy thing to know that these kids who have been through what they've been through are getting the help that they need. And so we are happy to support Alliance for Children and hope, like Tanya said, that you will also. We would love to see you at our gala on September 23rd. If you have not visited the Ancora Event Center, it's been open 2 years. So it's still fairly new in our community here in Mansfield, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful venue. And they've got it all set up for us, and we're super excited. And we're going to have a great silent auction. We've got some fun things for that. We've got a beautiful meal that's going to be served. We've got one of the top bands of DFW is going to be performing that night, so the dance floor will be open. So it will be a lot of fun. So click on our website to grab your tickets, or reach out to somebody in one of our organizations, and we'd be happy to help you. And thank you from the bottom of